Do you love the rich warm scent of Mahogany Teakwood? I made a natural DIY version of that smells just as cozy without artificial fragrances. Meet Fireside Fig. Hey, I'm Musette from Simply Earth, and today I'm sharing a DIY version for that iconic scent, reimagined with clean natural ingredients. This Fireside Fig Candle blends Caribbean teakwood, grounding Himalayan cedarwood, and bright bergamot essential oils from a comforting vibe that's perfect for winding down as the seasons change. Here's how I made it. So first I'm gonna start off by sliding my wooden wick into my metal clip here. Pushing that through. Just like that. And then we're going to add the stickers. So peel one side off, get that on the clip, and then so I've got that double-sided wick sticker on. I'm gonna try and center it right in the middle of my vessel. I'm gonna firmly press this down into the jar. And just like that. Next, I'm gonna measure out my wax. I need 6 ounces of soy wax. And I'm using this wax here from Simply Earth. Clean burn soy wax. So you could either use a double boiler, slow and steady, or in the microwave in 30-second bursts. I'm gonna use 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring in between each interval. So now that my wax is melted, I'm going to add 120 drops of the Caribbean teakwood. Then I'm going to add 40 drops of the Himalayan cedarwood. So now I'm gonna add 40 drops of bergamot essential oil. Stir slowly and thoroughly for about 2 to 3 minutes to get that perfect scent blend. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your wax is around 185 degrees when you add the oils. Then pour between 160 and 180 for best scent throw. Alright, so now I'm gonna pour my wax, and I'm gonna do this as slowly as I can so it won't create any air pockets. I'm gonna let this set undisturbed for 24 hours. So I just trimmed my wick, as you can see. I use these fancy wig trimmers, but you can use scissors or even nail clippers or your dog's clippers. I mean, anything would really work here. Not bad for a DIY version, right? If you want to make your own Fireside Fig Candle, it's super simple, especially with Simply Earth. We got all the clean, natural ingredients you need for candles like this and more. Find this recipe and many others at simplyearth.com. Let's see how this turned out.
Yes, please.
Oh wow.
Oh, amazing.
Ta-da. Wow, that creamy woodsy aroma is soft, and that perfect balance of cozy and fresh. And knowing it's all natural makes it even better. If this worked for me, it'll work for you too. Give it a try, then share your Fireside Fig creations with #IMadeThis. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. For more easy, toxin-free DIY, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you next time.